Oh gosh.
Yeah, that was when that dog was gonna jump up on you guys. I was like,
Yeah, I know, right?
but that guy had it right in hand. That was good.
Yeah, he knew.
Look at that one.
Yeah.
The dog's
big
looking
dog.
right at you.
Yeah.
That one's beautiful too.
Mhm.
At home.
We are having a wonderful time, as you can imagine.
A black cat on picture above the calendar, and I caught a little bit is the mother dog of the puppies. She stared at that cat.
Oh,
You know, I mean she
so
saw it, but I never said. She just stared at it,
yes. Oh, sorry.
and then
I see what you're looking at.
Yeah.
oh my
Wow.
goodness.
We're in the middle of an ant trail.
We
plus
have
a big
those.
Mama.
We have those at the farm.
heading for
Yeah, oh, sorry, I'm
They're
in your
stick
way.
buds.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
Get
aim.
too close, they'll raise
Well,
their,
too late now.
yeah,
It's right
well, I
under
mean,
me.
not step on them, but they'll raise their tail.
Yes.
And I think they shoot something out.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are right in the middle.
Not